Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Weber Genesis EPX-335 Smart Grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have the Weber Genesis EPX-335 Smart Grill. You'll notice the left side shelf is a little smaller than the right. That's meant to give more workspace over here. This model has a 12,000 BTU side burner. Single igniter. Left, middle, and right burner control knobs. And here's your sear burner, now standard on all models. And lights too. Check that out. Here's the smart stuff, Weber Connect. It displays cooking temperature, LP tank fuel level, Wi-Fi signal strength, and various other information. Also has 2 meat probe inputs. Wi-Fi sends all that information to a Weber Connect app on your smartphone. Genesis rolls on 4 casters. The 2 up front are locking casters. Inside the cart, the LP tank hooks onto a scale that estimates fuel level by weight. Some wiring for the electronics. Here's a small enclosure on the right and a slide-out grease tray attached to a slide-out drip pan. This model has the crafted storage locker for storing the new Weber crafted accessories like a baking sheet and pizza stone. And here's something a little different for Weber. It's hardwired. If the power goes out, you can still grill, but won't have Weber Connect. Take a look under the hood to show you Weber's famous flavorizer bars, made of long-lasting stainless steel. They have cutouts on the side so you can make sure the burner is lit. V-shaped diffusers underneath help even out heat. And here's the thermistor that feeds cooking temperature information to Weber Connect. This is pretty cool. Looks like a bolt to bolt on the handle, but it's actually a light. One for each side. On the side tables, we have tool hooks. And underneath, on this side only, more hooks. I'll show you what these do in a minute. You can remove the large right side cooking grate and replace it with the crafted cooking grate. This is like Weber's gourmet barbecue system. The cooking grate is replaced with various inserts like griddles and pizza stones that pop in here. This little spacer fills in the blank. And when you're using the crafted grate, Hang the regular cooking grate on those hooks under the right side shelf. When finished, store some crafted accessories in the crafted locker. But it's best to keep the cast iron indoors. The warming rack is interesting. Folds out of the way when not in use. And it can be extended to double rack space. The Genesis EPX-335 Smart Gas Grill. Interesting. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.